Hey you guys, I'm Ash Takeoff, and today I'm going to be giving a glimpse into my brow routine. This is what I do for my everyday brow, my step out brow, my brow. So if you want to see how I got to here, just keep on watching. My face is freshly clean and free of all oils and makeup. I will be using my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the number 5, Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and an applicator brush just to smooth it all out. Alright, so use the spoolie side of pencil, and then I always start with my line at the bottom because foundation is key, ladies. Foundation is key. So I literally just trace out the natural shape of my brows, and then I go in hair light strokes to the front, and that just basically adds on to like the type of hair strokes that I already have. And then I use the spoolie just to kind of brush it out to see how I'm looking. And personally, I do a little extra false hair strokes because later on I'm just going to kind of smooth them all out just to blend it a little better. Once I do that, I then go to the top and I outline the top of my brows. So I literally follow the shape of my natural brow and I just fill it in. So here I'm just adding a few more false hairs, and this is where I start to use my spoolie just to kind of brush them out. I like how it gives like a transitional shaded look. Now I will be using my concealer at the bottom. I kind of went a little too heavy on this side, but I blended it out. It's going to be just fine. I always use my highlight shade, or you can honestly use your foundation color as well. It just depends on what look you're going for, but with this one I kind of wanted that snatched, I just got my eyebrows done look. Shout out to everyone who does their makeup, like really be doing it, because I'm learning. So please, if you have any tips or recommendations, leave them in the comment section because I'm always for it. Because honestly, I don't really wear that much makeup. My brows and my lashes are like my statement looks. I then repeat the same process to the other side. Do you guys have a brow that just can't do right? I know I'm not the only one out here, but hey, you gotta fake it till you make it, and at the end of the day, they still gonna be cute, sis. And while I'm here, shout out to my lash tech at So Icy Minx on Instagram and Facebook. Y'all, I love my lash tech. She be doing me how I be wanting to be did, all right? Is that even a correct statement? I don't know, but y'all get the point. Shout out to her. Love you, girl. On my second brow, I don't use as much Pro Concealer because I still have some on my makeup applicator brush. So I just do a little line, and then I go to blend that all in. And make sure you blend that out evenly so you don't have like that ghosty line of demarcation look. And also make sure you're using the correct shade for your skin tone because that also helps with that. And that is it, peeps. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is what I do for my brows, for my everyday look. If I do want to step out and glam it up a little bit more, I just go a little heavier on the pencil and just make it more of a bolder brow. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to come take off with me, and we gonna be popping. All right, until next time, bye guys.